What's up guys, this is the unboxing and overview of this JioDongle. This costs around 2000 rupees and you get 3 months of data and voice calls free with this. And this is a circular package in a cylindrical shape. So this thing can actually come in handy at your workplace or at your home, as this just can plug in. It's just plug and play, and you can plug this in any USB port, so no power supply or battery, it's just plug and play. The contents of the box are as follows. We get the JioDongle. Dongle is really small in size, which can come in backpacks, and there is the USB port. Next we get the adapter, so that's a good thing. The company is supplying the adapter, and it's a 5 volt at 1 amp adapter. That's sufficient for the dongle. We get some quick guides. Actually, you can make calls via the dongle through your phone through Jio 4G voice app, and you get Jio stickers to pimp the crap out of this JioDongle. And we also get the SIM to start that. So we're gonna test this out on a smartphone, connect it. So when we plug it in, that's how it looks. And starting taking a smartphone, we'll go to the Wi-Fi settings. I've already set the JioDongle up by going to the website called jiodongle.local.html. There you can change all the wireless Wi-Fi settings. Then you just need to go to your Wi-Fi settings in your mobile and just connect to that Wi-Fi. So I'm gonna type my password in. So we do get 3 months of data and voice free with this one. So nice marketing strategy. And if we search on the search engine, yes, we get results. And checking out the speed test at my place, I'm indoors right now and I am getting around nearly 2 Mbps download, and the upload will be less than that. Yeah, so those are the speeds. Not really fast, but will get the job done. So that was it. Thanks for watching, and this was the unboxing of this JioDongle. Peace.